Hello crafters, Uno here. In this video, let's familiarize ourselves with the shooting star. Shooting star has a small body. The upper wick is almost double the size of its body. The lower wick is too short or none. Shooting star comes from prior uptrend. It's more reliable if it's a red candle. The longer the upper wick, the more bearish is the pattern. Let's spot some shooting stars. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated every time I post a new video.